Hi, I'm Phil Bridges, owner of Straight Arrow Repair. Ever want to know how a repairman fixes things? Well, come with me and I'll show you how I solve problems. Let's make things better together. Hi. Haven't got me looking up. There's a roof leak here. So this is evidence of it. The sink was clogged up, so the roof leaked down here through out of that, I guess. And then we got, all this area here is all damaged. The repair that we're going to do is over here. I don't know why this is leaking like it is. Maybe it's just running over here on top of the plastic that they run to there. But we're going to go up there and fix it. So eventually we'll have to fix all the drywall in here too. Or somebody will. This is what we do. See ya. It's Phil Bridges. If you like what you saw, you think it might be helpful to somebody else, push that like button and let other people know what you and I now know. And we'll work together toward making a brighter future. And by the way, we're not Americans, we're Americans. See you next time.